Hi, Chef John here with Monogram Appliances. Today, I'm cooking on our brand new 5-in-1 speed oven with Advantium cooking technology. With this oven, I am able to give my family one of its favorite meals in a matter of 10 or 12 minutes, and it's very simple pulled chicken enchiladas. With this, I'm going to do a little variation and add some very popular ingredients with the hatch green chilies now and mix those in, give it a little spice and a little bit of freshness. So let's get started. All right, so very simply, we've got some roasted pulled chicken, your hatch green chilies. Go ahead and follow along on the recipe below. Some Mexican seasoning, taco seasoning, or in this case, I use my own Down Island dust. You can find that recipe. Shredded cheddar of your choice. And then just give all that a nice mixing. I'm going to take the chicken mixture and just kind of portion it between about 6 or 7. Flour tortillas is my choice. A lot of people like corn, so use that if that's what you like. No problem there. Just a nice healthy portion in each one. We're just going to give them a little roll up. Great. Now that I have all my enchiladas rolled up, I always take a little bit of enchilada sauce, put it on the bottom there so things don't stick. You can make your own. There's so many great recipes out there for enchilada sauce. You can buy some store-bought sauce is good too. No problem there. This is supposed to be a quick, easy meal. Drop them in. Some more sauce over the top. That's looking good already. Lastly, a little extra cheddar. All right, once you have your enchiladas all panned up, all we have to do is precision cook them. And in this case, it's only going to take 12 minutes, and that's including all the heating time as well. So go ahead and open up your precision oven here. Put your glass tray right in there, on a nice metal tray. Close the door, and then hit precision cook. Custom, 12 minutes. Set. The upper heater is going to be on 6. Lower heater is going to be on 8. Microwave is going to be on 2. And the convection is going to be on 10. I'm going to hit set one more time. It'll prompt us to use the metal tray, which is already in there. So go ahead and hit start. As soon as that light comes on, we begin the cooking process, and you're only 12 minutes away from fresh enchiladas. So it's been a short, quick cook time on these enchiladas, but they are ready and looking perfect. So go ahead and open your 5-in-1 oven. Grab those out. Look at that. Perfectly melted cheese, caramelization, everything we love.